Hey, hey, hey. Okay, so we're going to jump right into it. I was watching one of my YouTubers and she was eating some crab sticks. I'm in Georgia. I've been here over 22 years. I have never found them here in Georgia. Now, don't come for me. I'm clear that they're imitation, okay? This is not something we should eat all the time, but I have a taste for them, so I'm gonna make them, okay? All right, very simple. 4 ingredients that you need to make these crab sticks, and they're gonna be splendiferous, okay? So let's get into it. You need your package of imitation crab sticks. You need about 3 eggs, because we're gonna make an egg wash. You need some flour and panko breadcrumbs, all right? And a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Other than that, you don't really need any seasoning. Let's get into it. Okay, so here they're all breaded. I'm about to take them over to the deep fryer. And we're just gonna immerse these in the grease until they're golden brown. So maybe about 2 minutes. It doesn't take much. These are fully cooked. Okay, so here is the final result. All right, and just to make it cute, I'm gonna just add a little parsley. Cutesy. All right, so I don't have any duck sauce, so I have some Frank's Red Hot sweet chili sauce. I think that will do the job. Now let's go in for this crunch test. I feel just like I'm in East Orange, okay? If you guys try these, try it with this Red Hot sweet chili sauce, better than duck sauce. Now the difference from the ones that I just made and the ones that I have had in East Orange or in New Jersey, period. Sometimes they double bread them, and I don't like all of that breading. So for me, these are perfect. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. Share it out, and I'll see you next video.